experience I will be forever grateful that I had. Yes, so from the market runs and prepping of the tomato mix and the rest of it, I had to cook and package over 500 packs of food for the burial ceremony of late Mr. Chuks Monday Sokari in Rivers State, MBiama Community to be precise, on the 7th of March 2026, and I didn't have any of my usual team member with me. But the amazing and hardworking women of the community came through for me. They supported me like no other. Together, we made it. This is a reminder that teamwork, determination, and community support can achieve great things. I'm truly grateful and thankful for their help. Love them to the moon. Thank you, MBiama women. You people are really darling. Standing by me to pull through a crowd of over 500 guests with no usual team. I salute you now. Thank you, beautiful women. God will continue to bless and see you people through. Please, if you find this page helpful, please do well to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you as you stay with me. BT Culinary for life. See all the women, all hands on deck. I mean, they are just too much. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. My heart is full of joy that I could be loved by people like this. And that it's amazing. It sounds amazing to be loved by people I don't know from anywhere. People I don't know from anywhere, but they stood gidigba by me. Look at the fine girls now. Look at them. Gosh, una too much, una too much. Kudos. God will continue to